Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Tranquil bloom in Grow a Garden. This unique plant is a prismatic rarity seed, meaning it is quite special and valuable. It's also a multi-harvest plant, allowing you to gather its fruits multiple times. The only way to acquire this elusive seed is by opening specific kitsune chests, which we will discuss next. To earn a kitsune chest, you need to find the kitsune NPC located at the center of the map. Interact with this character and provide them with 5 fruits that have a Tranquil mutation, along with 5 fruits that possess a corrupt mutation. Each fruit you submit will fill one segment on the kitsune wheel, and once it is completely full, you will receive a kitsune chest. For those looking for a quicker path, exotic kitsune chests are available for purchase. These can be bought using Robux from the in-game shop. A single exotic kitsune chest costs 199 Robux. If you wish to buy more, a pack of 3 chests is available for 575 Robux, and 10 chests can be acquired for 1,699 Robux. Once you have a kitsune chest, remember that the Tranquil bloom seed has a 1% chance of dropping. After successfully obtaining and planting it, you'll be pleased to know it's a multi-harvest plant, providing continuous yields. Each fruit can sell for between 80,000 and 100,000 shekels. To maximize your profits, focus on applying various mutations, which can boost its value considerably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.